Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Shark Vacmop not spraying, cleaning and liquid tank fix for all Vacmop models. Fix 1. Clear the spray nozzle. Turn off the Vacmop and place it on a flat surface. Locate the small spray nozzle at the front of the floor head. Inspect the nozzle for dried cleaning solution, dirt or debris. Use a sewing pin, needle or toothpick to gently remove any blockage. Wipe the nozzle area with a soft cloth dampened with warm water. Test the spray function to see if liquid flows normally. Fix 2. Reseat and check the liquid tank. Remove the solution tank from the Vacmop. Check that the tank contains enough cleaning solution and is not overfilled. Inspect the tank for cracks, leaks or damaged seals. Reinstall the tank firmly until it clicks into place. Hold down the spray button for 10 to 15 seconds to prime the system and remove trapped air from the internal lines. Fix 3. Deep clean the liquid system. Remove the solution tank and empty any remaining cleaner. Fill the tank halfway with warm water. Do not use boiling water or additional chemicals. Reattach the tank securely to the Vacmop. Hold the unit over a sink or suitable drain area. Press the spray button repeatedly for about 30 seconds to flush the internal tubing. Continue until water sprays evenly from the nozzle. Fix 4. Check power and battery status. The spray pump requires adequate battery power to operate correctly. Connect the Vacmop to its charger and allow it to charge fully. Check that the charging indicator shows the battery is charging properly. Once fully charged, unplug the unit and test the spray function. Listen for the pump motor when pressing the spray button. If no sound is heard, the battery or pump may not be receiving power. Fix 5. Verify cleaning pad installation. Remove the disposable cleaning pad from the bottom of the Vacmop. Inspect the pad for excessive saturation or damage. Attach a fresh pad, ensuring it aligns correctly with the magnetic holders. Confirm the pad sits flat and securely in a place. Test the spray feature again after reinstalling the pad. Fix 6. Contact Shark support. If the Vacmop still does not spray after completing all troubleshooting steps, the internal pump may be faulty. Check whether the pump motor can be heard when pressing the spray button. If the motor runs but no liquid sprays, the pump diaphragm or internal tubing may be damaged. Contact Shark customer support with your Vacmop model number and troubleshooting results. Ask about warranty coverage, replacement parts, or repair options if the unit is still under warranty. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.